Oh, no way. No way. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Done. Yeah, good. Okay, what do you want to put on that potato head? What are these? Eyes?
Yeah.
Alright, here's some eyes.
They have to be right here.
Yeah, he's gonna get a silly potato head because there's not many spots to put his parts.
Help me, my arm.
He needs arms?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another S word first. Let's do heel.
Heel.
Well, you try. I didn't hear your stick sound first. Try again.
Heel.
Yes, that was better. Okay, let's get arms.
Alright, we're at Rooms to Go Kids. We're at Rooms to Go Kids. They are marching. I'm on the rocks. They are marching. Rooms to Go Kids is the best way to be. Alright, we're gonna check out some cool stuff. Yeah. And I see superheroes right there. Jason wants those. Fireman! Hi, fireman! See? Hi, fireman! Hi, fireman! He does want it. Fireman! Hi, fireman! Hi, fireman! Hi, there's like so many ants over here. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one in a little wind. Jason, come on! Alright, Rooms to Go Kids is here. Aw, there's a little girl bed for it. Come on, let's go. Oh, there's a little chair. So cute. And it can spin. Comfy. I love this chair. I should be in this one. I should have that chair in my room. Wow. That's so beautiful. So beautiful in here. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. Kason, look. Kason, look. Kason, a little safety area. Kason, you can sleep over here. I'll sleep up there. Wow. I want to go to that bed over there. Wow. Yeah. Oh, no way. No way. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm taking this. It's like a carriage. It's like a It's like a carriage. And I can literally like step on these stools and then look at this desk. And look at this carriage.
Hi. Hi.
Mom, you better come see this. Wow, wow, wow.
Look, it's Minecraft. Look, you see the Minecraft over there? Go on the other side. This is the nursery room. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, it's a blue rocking rolling chair.
This for you. This is so cute.
They got Winnie the Pooh. They got baby girl. Look, Kason, look. Come over here.
Yes, you can totally get this bed.
You see the dresser?
Look at this. Look at that.
Look at the dresser.
Oh, cool.
And the bed.
Look at the desk. It's finally
Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah, and also there's a mirror. But guys, listen, there's like a playhouse.
Oh, that's dope. Hi, handsome. I just want to cuddle with you. Can we just go somewhere and cuddle?
I'm
Can
gonna
we-
get that for myself.
me and
I'm
you?
gonna get that one.
Can we just go somewhere and cuddle? Just us? Yeah, yeah.
My little house.
I want to go somewhere and cuddle. Come on.
Like a little, like,
Okay, so we're back to the Spider-Man area.
you want me fireman top? I'm a fireman top!
Why are you so loud? Yes, Kason.
This one will be my bed.
You like this bed? Oh, of course. All the princess stuff. The nightstand.
I know you want
That's a vanity.
that fireman one.
You like the Spider-Man?
Yeah.
I know you do.
want this one.
You like that vanity?
Take a picture. Yeah, but I also need a desk. Let's take a picture of
You
like
need a desk? Why you can't use that as the desk?
Yeah, 'cause I don't have a desk.
But why you can't use that as the desk?
I just want a vanity.
Oh Lord, Layla done found the teenage area. You rather have this than the princess? This is giving big girl status. Kason. Kason.
Mommy,
Yeah,
you think you're mommy?
I'm right here.
Mommy, my,
There's a desk.
yeah, but I don't want
And it's pink.
Mommy, mommy, actually, my bed is going to be, my bed is want to be. Mom, I'm just looking for like some furniture.
Well, that's a nice couch.
I'm looking for like some furniture that we can like add. I'm looking for like a vanity.
There's a desk. Look at that one. It kind of matches your rug.
Yeah,
But no.
yeah.
Why? That's a nice desk and chair. That's a nice vanity desk.
Yeah, but I just
So which one do you like? Cause you doing a lot of yeah buts. Look, Layla. Layla. This one has a built-in jewelry box behind the mirror. That's cute.
Wait, back to the baby section. We saw like, yeah. I want this vanity.
You like that vanity? Take a picture. Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah, but
I want this. Mommy.
say cheese.
Oh my God.
Okay, Kason, 1 second. Got it.
Alright, when gets here.
You like this one? You like this? The canopy?
Yeah, but yes.
Kason, I like the Spider-Man
Yes,
bed for you.
Yeah, Mommy.
Kason, look. It's a little gamer chair. It's a little gamer chair. Right here. Right here. Sit in it. Oh, it's a little gamer chair.
Yeah, but mommy, why can't we
That's
just,
so
like,
cute.
climb up here? Mama, yes, please.
Because it says, what is, read it. What does it say?
For your safety, please don't climb on the bunk bed.
Thank you. It's a rule. I already know what Kason want. Kason want the Spider-Man room. Kason with the Spider-Man room. I'm not gonna lie, this is dope. Ooh.
Yeah, and also, mommy, hey, you're the full fireman. Fireman.
You see how his room is clean?
Yeah.
When your room can stay clean like that, we could talk about getting you something like this. It's a big boy room. It's a big boy room, ain't it?
Hey, why a blue chair?
You like the chair? Ooh, the chair spins.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I can see this in your room. And a dresser. You need that for your clothes, don't you?
Yeah.
That would be nice.
And this.
Yeah.
And a carpet.
Yeah.
I mean a carpet is that and some coffee and some things.
Yep. Well, let's see if you can keep your room clean.
I'm gonna keep mine clean forever so I can get that house.
You have those? Yeah, you do have
I'm gonna
those.
get that. Wait, I want a gun. I want a gun. I'm a controller like Barbara controller.
You have a Spider-Man remote control car. Where is it? This is what I'm talking about. You gotta keep up with your stuff. That's why you gotta keep up with it.
I want to
Bookcase, chest,
I want to buy Spidey.
the nightstand is 300.
Wait.
The whole
I
set.
know. They have the.
How much is the chair?
They don't.
475. It's a nice chair though.
Yeah, this is a nice thing.
All right, it's time to go, guys. That was fun.
I want to tell you which bed I want. I love.
You showed me the bed you wanted.
Mommy, I think this bed.
Yes, I know.
It's so cool.
I know.
Like, if I can let this go, I can like just have my own privacy.
Oh, I just want to go be with you. I know. All right, let's roll, dogs.
Yeah.
And it's a matching dresser and nightstand. Cute.
I done put it.
I'm trying to get these kids out of here.
Look at it. It's so like comfy.
All right, let's roll.
I don't want to roll.
You don't want to roll?
Yeah.
I know, it's so nice here, right?
I don't want to.
Why are you always falling? All right, guys. What was your favorite part in Rooms to Go, kids?
Everything.
Everything.
I want my fireman.
You want a Spider-Man room?
Yeah.
Well, that thing was like a real, like, Spider-Man room. We decorated your room with, like, pictures and stuff.
Got it. Hi.
Come this way.
I think that.
Girl, don't do that. That's dangerous. We are back in the car. We are done grocery shopping for today. Got no meat, mostly snacks.
That's good.
That's good. That's not good. I got snacks and like ready meals. Thank you again for watching. To support us, go ahead and subscribe and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Like this video, share it. Watch some other vlogs and videos. Throw your support out there. Boop, boop, boop.
And also, don't forget to watch that Family Friday one. It's super fun. Woo!
So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.